Here's a quick 10-minute follow-along HIIT workout you can try. All you'll need is a pair of light to medium-sized dumbbells and a workout mat. We'll be performing squats, bent over rows, dumbbell lunges, push-ups, and finishing off with planks. I go over these 5 exercises in detail in the video in the top right if you'd like a full demonstration. We'll be working for 30 seconds and taking a rest for 10 seconds for 3 rounds per exercise. Make sure you've warmed up with some jumping jacks or a jog on the treadmill and get some stretching in. If you're ready, let's get started.
Until something better came along. As soon as we wake up, promise you the world tonight, show you what I've got. Your body speaks my language and you read me like a book. This night means forever and so does me and you. We say we love, we say we love. We gave it all, we gave it all. We say we love, we say we love. But we were just here to stay until something better came along.
I hold on to this storm 'cause I need to be swept away, swept away.